Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today we are going to be making some hidden paper clips. Yeah, they're just hidden paper clips. You can probably see a little bit with this light paper clips on the back. These are amazing bookmark or embellishment for your journals or diaries. Super cute, super easy to make. I have used my September VIP lounge papers, so if you wish to join my VIP membership, please do so, because it's only a few days left until the end of the month. The VIP lounge is a subscription that you just pay a little bit every month, or you can just use one big payment up front, and that will last for 12 months. So whatever is easy. I know a lot of my VIP members prefer to do one payment for 12 months, and a lot of my VIP members rather pay a little bit each month, so you know, it don't come out at once. But let me show you the VIP papers, and I'll show you at the very end of the video. Wait. Okay guys, welcome to the papers from September of my VIP lounge subscription. So let me show you the number one. Number one is this one here. Oh my god, it's so cute. I don't say myself. Let me zoom out a little bit. That's it. It's called Cute Cats. So it's 4 pages full of adorable cats. Simple as. So they're all very similar, but yet each page is different. And you've got different flower, different scales. You can do cards. Oh, I've got so many ideas of what I want to do with this. So Cute Cats, number 1. Number 2, it's called Graffiti, which is this one here. So it's a bit like inspiration. It's about 19th pop culture. So we've got lovely tones of green and red, some angry cats, a cheeky cat. We've got this page here. As you can see, the color palette is pretty much the same, so it's, all pages blend. And this is page number 4. Some stars. So yeah, so they're all very different, but again they all match. So this is Graffiti. Collection number 3, which is my favorite one, is called Vintage Dresses. So you get a page with a lovely doll. Look how cute she is. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4 pages with all different dresses. So you've got the one on the hangers, the one like that. So they're all super cute. Let's see. Look at that one. The color palette is very similar. So it's all these blue and pinks. Look at that one with a little bow. It's all blend together. Got a couple of ideas of what to do with this paper, so I will showcase it the next coming weeks. And then you get, I haven't got a printout, but I'll show you on my screen on my laptop now. Okay guys, so these are the 5 bookmarks that you will get with this month VIP lounge. It's a little treat. It's an additional gift from me to you guys. The reason why I didn't print them is because it's not something that I will personally use, but I think they are adorable, especially if you print them on cardstock, and also if you print them front and back, you'll be able to have this double-sided. But I think they're really cute. I will probably use the black and stripe one with the gold hearts, but they're super cute. They are my favorite colors, I must admit, because I do like black and white with a bit of gold, and I do like pink and green together. I think they're very bright. They're a bit summery, and also, yeah, they just give you some positive vibes, or I hope they do at least. So you get the flamingo bookmarks as well. And then last but not least, you get the letter E. Okay, so this is the template. I just printed this on a simply copy paper, and this is what it looks like when it's done up. Let me just move this out of the way, because otherwise you won't be able to see it. So just gonna turn everything white. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So, and there is a private video for all my VIP members where I share how to make this. Simply like cutting it and then glue the tabs, etc, etc. So this is being designed from the graffiti papers. So far we've got letter A, letter B, letter C. Last month was letter D in August, and letter E for September. Okay, so we've done 5 letters so far. A, B, C, D, and E. Okay guys, I'm so excited because finally I got a new microphone. So hopefully you should not be hearing any dodgy noises on the background. Sorry it took me so long, but I got one of Amazon, but unfortunately it wasn't compatible with my camera, so I had to send it back, and it's my own fault because I didn't check it. So I'm hoping that now you can hear me fine, fingers crossed. And yeah, let me just yeah, it should be connected. Right, so let's start making the hidden paper clips. So as per usual, the hidden paper clips are made using 2 layers of cardstock, and basically you connect those two to hide the paper clip. Okay, so I'm just kind of measuring the size of the dresses, and I like the dresses to go over. Yeah, so I think we do. There is no set of measurements or anything like that. But what I do, just do this first, and then we're going to do the same. I've done tons and tons and tons of hidden paper clips video. I will put some videos at the end of this one in case you guys want to check it out for some more ideas and inspiration. So I couldn't find my box, but there it is. You just need a paper clip, no matter what color, because you won't see it. Okay, so fold a piece of cardstock in half, put the paper clip in the middle, and then we're going to cover it with another piece of cardstock. Okay, so I use the yellow one only because that's what I had on my desk following up the tutorial that we made on Monday. So let me just get rid of these. In case you guys missed the video, on Monday we made a lovely magnetic closure ephemera gift box, or happy mail box as I called it, because it looks like a little envelope. And yeah, anyway. Right, so now we're going to glue the 2 layers. So I've got my Mod Podge here. Got glue everywhere. And we have to adhere both of the layer, front and back. So do one first. It don't matter what you do first, but what you need to make sure that it's tons of glue, because if the 2 layers don't get stuck next to one another, it won't work. So as you can see, I put way more glue than I should have done. Never mind. So I'm hoping that you can hear me better with this new microphone. I'm sure I can see there is a green light, so I can see they are working. So there's 2 actually, 2 small ones. So one is clipped on my camera, and one is clipped on me. So I'm just hoping, because I do move a lot and I do talk a lot, so I'm just hoping that I need to get some more wipes from downstairs. On my next journey, when I make a cup of tea, I will need to get some more wipes to clear my desk. Okay, so we're going to press down the 2 layers. Yeah, I definitely need a wipe. So why is it called hidden paper clipper? Because you see there's 2 layers, and if I get a cardstock, you see you put it in there, so you literally slide it inside and it stays like this, so you don't see the paper clip. This is why it's called hidden paper clip. So which dress should we use? I'm going to do 2, so I think I'm going to go for this first. I love. I have so many feedback from the VIP members about this paper pack. You guys said that it was one of the best I made this year, and thank you for that, guys, because he makes it all worth it. All worth it. When you design and spend lots of time for making something, and then people appreciate what you do, and that makes me very happy. Very happy. It also gives me some ideas of what you guys like, so when I create the next pack, I know what you guys like. I mean, I already designed all the VIP papers up to February. I've been extremely organized because I had so many ideas, and also during December I worked in retail, so now we are working towards Christmas, so I really won't get many time off, much time off in the next two months, so I need to get myself organized. So make sure that everything happens there. So where is the paper clip is there, and I can feel it. So I'm just going to glue the dress, and then we're going to cut it. Going to fussy cut it. So yeah, I will get really busy at work. So I won't have time to design. So I've done all my designing up to February. And of course, I will have days off, so I will, film videos. But, in terms of like actually spending time and, doing my research, and because when I designed the papers, it takes a little while, especially when I do something a bit more complex. So yeah. So that's literally glue. And then now we've got 4 layers of cardstock here. So you need to be a bit more careful when you cut those. I think I need to use another scissors. To be fair, it's struggling. The scissor is struggling a little bit, but it's cutting it through. Put a lot of pressure on my finger. It's kind of hurting. No, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I think what it didn't help, I should have used maybe like a baby blue cardstock instead of using the yellow, because it's very noticeable. But it's fine. It's absolutely fine. Just going to play a little bit. You can't really see it. I think it's fine. So last bit, and I'm gonna make the second one off camera because it will be exactly the same way. So I need to get my scissors in there. That's it. Did you hear the snap? Yeah, and the more you go closer to the top, the difficult it will get. Okay, so let me move this out of the way. Scoop this in the bag. That's it. So if this is our page, and this is our dress. Of course, the front would be like that. I think I need to go back. Oh yes, I didn't go for the sleeve. So this is the front and this will be the back. Now you can do that address on the back. I'm not too bothered, but yeah, it's a really nice paperclip. What do you guys think? Gonna make another one. Gonna do it off camera because the glue is still a bit wet. Yeah, do it off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that's the two dresses. So that's what I literally simply just made. And then again, if you get a page, I've got my agenda here. So I'm just working through my agenda. So again, it's always a bit wet. So that's the paper. Paperclips look like they are amazing bookmarks. Again, I would suggest, because you can either do these for craft fairs. They're fabulous craft fairs ideas. You can sell them. I will suggest you put the same dress on the back, so wherever you see it from, it still looks like a dress. So you still got the picture of the dress. What am I going to do? I'm just going to decorate it. I'm just going to put some gems because I think it would be super cute with just some more embellishments. I'll put the two there, and I think I'll probably put like a yellow one. To be fair, I could do with some. I've got this transparent one. So I'm just gonna put, where should we put it? Should put it on the neck. One there and one there. So they looks like little pearls. That's it. What do you guys think? It's just a little touch. So that's one, that's two. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like this video. Before we go, let me show you where to find my VIP lounge papers on my website. Okay, guys, so this is my website. So when you look at antoniomakes.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP lounge, there you go. You got my membership plan. So you have a gold butterfly, which you pay £5 a month. And then you have a yearly one. So you got the VIP lounge yearly membership. Okay. So if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website. 3 mini, at least 4 pages each. A monthly offer or a gift. A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the gold butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay guys, I'm going to go off to some lunch. Thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really helped me with my journey here on YouTube. Every interaction that you have with me is a bonus. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. You guys are fabulous. I will see you on Friday for a very what can I say, very autumnal Friday freebie. Just a little hint. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day or night, depending what time you're watching. And until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.